So it's Antonio Vaughn here, and yesterday it was part one of moving the pumpkins and brush with my bobcat, skid steer, and my grapple. So today I'm gonna finish that up, so let's get to it. The machine's all warmed up, got the grapple all ready, so let's hop in the machine and let's start working. Full of gas since yesterday when I started it. I filled it all up, so I'm gonna just plug this in real quick and then I'll get to it. Get to it. Ramps right here. I'm gonna press the aux so that we can open and close. And let's get to it. Alright. Today I'm working at my nursery. There's a lot to do today, so let's get to it. Too much of the brush done, so today we'll get a lot more done. Stuff is from last October when we were doing pumpkins. Now it's all garbage. So check out my channel. I'll be posting a lot of videos and a lot of stuff to my YouTube channel. All the brush is going to be going right there in the back. So the clamps are not really working right now for some reason after I just dumped that pass. it started not working, but I'm gonna put these on, the clamps. So let's switch out the bucket and let's get to it.
You want the clamps or you want a bucket?
Maybe clamps.
Okay.
Put that one. Alright, so we're gonna attach to the clamps real quick. The hydraulic hose is not really working too good on this one, so I'm gonna just switch to the other one. So let's get to it. Lift up valve. That's now off. Now it's attached to the one right here. Just clean off the windshield real quick with this. Alright, it's good for now. Take this out. Now we just need to attach the clamps. I'm just gonna dry this off my sleeve real quick. Oh, there we go. Now we need to attach these. Attach the bottom one first. There we go, that one's in, and then put this one in. Alright, they're in. Let's get to it. Just wipe off my hands real quick, and let's get to it. Put the aux on, test it real quick. Alright, we're all good to go. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is kind of like the grapple, but it closes left to right instead of up and down. But this thing will work for what we're trying to do too. So let's get to it.
except one of the soles at the tip of my toe is coming loose. And every time I get up to walk around on the rug here in the studio, it flops. I gotta get my hands on some glue. I'll buy some on the way home. What you need to do today is get yourself free tickets to Boots on the Boards. Zach will be out today, hanging with you and the Thunder crew from the Thunder 106 Ticket Blitz over at Honey Bay Dam on Highway 35 in Middletown from noon to 2. It's Boots on the Boards tickets. Boots on the Boards taking place in
For the rest of that, I'm just gonna go get the bucket, but
April 26th,
I'll start
starring
using this
Jackson
stuff
Dean
for
and friends. And these
Dale's
tickets
Day.
cannot be purchased. You must win them from Thunder 106. Zach will be toting along 75 pairs today over to Honey Bay Dam in Middletown. Find all the info about this event at thunder106.com.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Thunder106NJ. Jersey's best country. Thunder 106.
Your country favorites are coming back to Orange Station this Wednesday for a Miller Lite Cruise of Beer Happy Hour. That's right, after the rain makes their return, they are kicking things off with great live country music, while RA gives you amazing Miller Lite specials. During this Miller Lite Cruise of Beer's Country Happy Hour, your TJ Mike's spin your favorites.
I think I'm actually gonna switch to the bucket right now.
Enjoy exciting specials of Miller Lite bottles and pints and Miller Lite employees. And of course, RA's great menu is always available. From burgers to handhelds, entrees, salads, and more. It's a Miller Lite Cruise of Beer's Country Happy Hour with live music from the
Got it all broken up with this, and now we can just go in with the bucket and switch all that stuff out.
See everything happening at Bar A. Visit bar-a.com. That's bar-a.com. Brought to you by Miller Lite. Tastes like Millerton. Bar A. For summer never ends.
Let's just unattach this stuff. I'm gonna go grab one guy to help me real quick, and then get one guy. Putting them in is way easier because it's going in, but taking them out is a little harder. So I'm gonna grab one of these guys. Hey Chilo, can you help me? Are you gonna come over here and he'll help me? I'm gonna be making a video. Today I just got new chicks. They're brand new, they're like a month old. So I'll make a video about those either today or tomorrow. But yeah, they're very small right now. Yeah, so with this hose, this one right here, this needs to be tightened up, but I don't really have the right tools right now to tighten it up, so I'll do that another day. So, yeah, just got all these trees in. They're looking pretty nice now. Hey Chilo, can you help me take off these? I'll use the bucket. I'll use the bucket now. Yeah, bucket.
Will you put it in one?
Yeah, I try. I do a little bit, but it's made easier with the bucket. Yup. Got one of them off.
You use your money again, that one?
I try, but it's no work again.
Why you put it in the bucket?
Yeah, I put the bucket because this one and that one is okay.
Why you
But
put it in hay?
yeah, the hay and the pumpkin. All right,
It's heavy, the hay.
may I just scoop? May I
Why you
just...
put the scoop or where you put that?
All right. All right, yeah, thank you. All right. All right, so
Running a business
just
is hard enough. You've got customers to
get
help,
it.
employees to manage, and probably a coffee that went cold an hour ago.
All right,
That's where John
so
Insurance Agency comes in.
back down.
Automotive, retail,
Let's get to
wholesale, office, they've got you covered.
take
Find
off
out more at
this.
johnhillagency.com.
the bucket real quick. We're gonna keep on. you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. All right, goodbye.